pH, potential of hydrogen. Synopsis. What is pH? pH scale, measurement of pH, pH paper, importance of pH, pH balance, summary. What is pH? pH is a quantitative measure of the acidity or basicity of aqueous or other liquid solutions. All the aqueous solutions may contain hydrogen and hydroxyl ions due to self-ionization of water. In addition to this ionization, substances dissolved in water also may produce hydrogen ions or hydroxyl ions. The concentration of these ions decides whether the solution is acidic or basic. pH scale. pH scale is a scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. The P in pH stands for potence in German, meaning power. The pH notation was devised by the Danish biochemist Sorensen in 1909. pH scale is a set of numbers from 0 to 14, which is used to indicate whether a solution is acidic, basic, or neutral. Acids have pH less than 7. Bases have pH greater than 7. A neutral solution has pH equal to 7. The pH is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. That is, pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus. pH of some solutions, acids. The pH of HCl is 3. The pH of acetic acid is 2.4. The pH of citric acid is 2.2. Bases. The pH of baking soda is 9. The pH of caustic soda is 14. The pH of antacid is 10. pH of some fruits. The pH of apple is 2.9 to 3.3. The pH of pomegranate is 2.93 to 3.2. The pH of grape is 3 to 3.75. The pH of guava is 3 to 4. Measurement of pH. The pH of a solution can be determined by using a universal indicator. It contains a mixture of dyes. It comes in the form of solution or pH paper. A more common method of measuring pH in a school laboratory is by using pH paper. pH paper contains a mixture of indicators. pH paper. pH paper shows a specific color at a given pH. A color guide is provided with the bottle of the indicator or the strips of paper impregnated with it, which are called pH paper strips. The test solution is tested with a drop of the universal indicators, or a drop of the test solution is put on the pH paper. The color of the solution on the pH paper is compared with the color chart, and pH value is read from it. The pH values thus obtained are only approximate values. Importance of pH in everyday life. Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. Living organisms can survive only in narrow range of pH change. pH in our digestive system. It is very interesting to note that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and causes pain and irritation. pH of stomach fluid is approximately 2. pH changes as the cause of tooth decay. White enamel coating of our teeth is calcium phosphate, the hardest substance in our body. Toothpastes, which are generally basic and used for cleaning the teeth, and can neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. pH of soil. In agriculture, the pH of soil is very important. Citrus fruits require slightly alkaline soil, while rice requires acidic soil and sugarcane requires neutral soil. pH of rainwater. The pH of rainwater is approximately 7, which means that it is neutral and also represents its high purity. If the atmospheric air is polluted with oxide gases of sulfur and nitrogen, they get dissolved in rainwater and make its pH less than 7. Thus, if the pH of rainwater is less than 7, then it is called acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of the river water. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. The pH of saliva is 6.5 to 7.5. The pH of blood is 6.5 to 7.5. The pH of skin is 4.7 to 5.75. The pH of mouth is 6.7 to 7.3. pH balance. Your body's pH balance, also referred to as its acid base balance, is the level of acids and bases in your blood at which your body functions best. The human body is built to naturally maintain a healthy balance of acidity and alkalinity. The lungs and kidneys play a key role in this process. pH imbalance. If the lungs or kidneys are malfunctioning, your blood's pH level can become imbalanced. Disruption in your acid base balance can lead to medical conditions known as acidosis and alkalosis. pH balance disorders. A blood pH imbalance can lead to two conditions: acidosis, alkalosis. Acidosis refers to having blood that's too acidic or a blood pH of less than 7.35. Alkalosis refers to having blood that's too basic or a blood pH of higher than 7.45. Both conditions require treatment from a medical professional, not simply dietary changes. Summary: pH is a quantitative measure of the acidity or basicity of a solution. pH scale is a scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. pH paper contains a mixture of indicators. pH plays an important role in our daily life. The lungs and kidneys maintain a healthy balance of acidity and alkalinity in our body.